Welcome back to 4Wheel Channel. Today, we're revving up the excitement with an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2025 Volkswagen ID.4. The buzz surrounding this electric SUV has been growing, and we're thrilled to finally unveil the cutting-edge details that have been keeping car enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. Buckle up, because this is one electric ride you won't want to miss. As Volkswagen gears up for the future, they are pushing boundaries with the next-generation ID.4, fusing luxury, innovation, and sleek design to create an SUV that's as bold as it is efficient. Our exclusive renderings give you a taste of what's to come, and trust us, it's going to be a showstopper. Sleek, aerodynamic exterior. The 2025 ID.4 is set to redefine the modern SUV with a much sleeker silhouette, meticulously sculpted to maximize aerodynamics. Imagine smooth body curves that not only catch your eye, but also slice through the air, boosting energy efficiency. The front end, likely to feature slim, futuristic LED headlights, strikes the perfect balance between elegance and aggression, giving the car a bold new identity. Add to that a minimalist front grille which discreetly aids cooling, and you've got a look that screams the future of mobility. The reinvented rims and wheels. The 2025 ID.4 is expected to sport a more complex and avant-garde design, blending lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber for improved performance and efficiency. These futuristic rims don't just look good, they'll enhance the overall aerodynamics of the SUV, allowing you to glide effortlessly on every journey. The 2025 ID.4 will be equipped with the latest LED matrix system, which automatically adjusts to different road and weather conditions. Whether you're driving through fog or cruising on a clear night, this smart lighting tech will ensure optimal visibility and safety while adding a bold visual flair that turns heads wherever you go. Luxury in every detail. Of course, the no premium SUV is complete without luxury touches, and the 2025 ID.4 doesn't disappoint. Expect to see chrome accents and dynamic body lines that elevate the entire design, making it feel every bit as premium as it looks. From the window trims to the grille and rear bumper, these subtle yet striking details will underscore the ID.4's position as a high-end electric SUV. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Volkswagen ID.4 living up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more insider updates and first looks at the world's most exciting cars.